This is my intro. Working on it. Don't know exactly what it's going to consist of, what it might be. It might be something different next time. Might be the same for the next several times. I don't know. Okay. Sit back. Watch the video. Enjoy. Bye. What's up, beautiful disasters? How are y'all doing? I don't know what's going on. So I'm gonna do a couple of videos here. And I got this high mirror and it seems to have a lot of updates. Maybe it's just mine, a lot of updating, but that's all right. I'm gonna work with it. Right now, I still have dry face. One of the things I was really excited about using this high mirror for was that I would be able to log products and see their effectiveness, right? So I have some acne. I am breaking out around here. I have one here. I have one that's coming up right here. And I have a blackhead here that the dermatologist, I don't know, I have to see the dermatologist again about this because it's not going away. I have hyperpigmentation. Just got finished exfoliating. How about that? I didn't wash my face for a second time. I exfoliated. I washed my face earlier this morning, hoping I was going to be able to do this. Things didn't technically work out, so I didn't want to rewash my face. So I just got finished exfoliating, and it's the middle of the day. So I am going to log in, and this is what I washed my face with this morning. So the Neutrogena acne wash, oil-free acne wash. So this is what I washed my face with this morning, and this is what I just got finished exfoliating with, which is the Neutrogena acne wash daily scrub. And because I'm breaking out now, these are great over the counter. We may see something with it, we may not, but that's not really, these are not really the stars of the show. Like, this is all right. So hold on, I gotta get it. Let me get it. And we already have our baseline for what my skin is dry face, right? We already have the baseline. I'm going to insert a picture here of what it said my face was like bare skin this morning after it being washed with this, right? So I am going to go ahead and I'm going to do my morning routine because it's still kind of morning here. I don't have any sunscreen on. I am sitting right here by an open window. So I want to go ahead and start that process. So I'm going to go ahead and, yeah, so you're going to see me do it. And then also we're going to record the results right after to see if my results changed after just one application. Heritage Store Rose Water and Glycerin Hydrating Facial Mist. Dewy, radiant looking skin, dry to combination skin, vegan and cruelty free, free of dyes and alcohol. Woo! Okay. Oh my gosh. I'm impatient. also going to see what the acne is going to do. So, because the acne, that's the star of the show. I mean, like, we're going to be following her. We're kind of stalking her. We're in, yeah, so we're in, yeah, so she knows we're there though, but she don't. So we watch. On this journey to try to see if I can get to know what I'm doing. So let me introduce her. Y'all have been waiting. Win Levy. If you don't know, it's a new cream to help fight acne. It is with the tretinoin family. And
well-liberated women love their libations.
And so when I went to go see a dermatologist the other day, she told me that they came out with this. And first thing was, do I have to come and see you every 30 days? Do I have to take a pregnancy test every 30 days? And she says, no, you don't have to do any of that. Okay. And she said it's made specifically for breaking out around the jawline, which is where I break out. I break out here. I don't really break out here or on my cheeks. Like, this random ass blackhead is just, I mean, I don't know. She gotta go away. She just random. Came to the party uninvited. Just period. No invitation, no nothing.
Wow. You really are stupid, huh?
So, again, I have one that's trying to come up, and I've got one that's here. And then like little ones that are, you can't really see unless you're not giving me 6 feet. I mean, it is what it is. Store and the date that we're opening it, which is today. Discard unused portion 180 days after date of dispensing or 1 month after first opening, whichever is sooner. And then it will remind us when it's expired. And also that's kind of going to be the reminder of seeing when it's time to refill. So I'm going to be applying, and then also we're going to be able to see twice per day in the morning and the evening to the affected areas. This has to be in the refrigerator. How it does with the acne. All I have is time. So I'm interested to see what this does. Like, because I am. You up, and you are. There we go. Now, it gives us the option to measure, which is really cool. But hold on, we're not done, because we also need to add the other products that we use, the and all the other stuff. So let's go ahead and do that. So this was this morning. This is now. after using these products. And we have to allow 2 weeks, which is smart. We're going to allow more time than that, but yes. Okay. Okay, well. I am going to turn this off, turn it right back on, see if there's truly an update. And I've got some wigs I'm going to see. I'm just down to see. What?
Deactivating. I do not understand. Do you wish to delete? All systems down. Deactivated. Goodbye.